Yeah, recording in progress. Hello, Bhopal Raj.
Hello, sir.
Bhopal Raj, you are from which city?
Sir, I am from Erode, Tamil Nadu.
Eh,
I am currently studying in NIT Calicut.
You are studying in Calicut.
Yes, sir.
Acha, your Federal Bank has come for campus recruitment in your college?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Tomorrow we have GD
very
and
good.
robotic interview, sir.
Excellent. So have you, what are the ideas you have about this GD?
Yes, sir. I have seen videos which you have posted.
Acha, you have already seen my videos. Then
Yes,
I will ask you one question, you answer about that.
Okay, sir.
Please tell me, a single child of a parent who completed MBA got an opportunity to join in his dream institute, but his parents want him to pursue their family business. Supposing you are in that place, will you take up family business or will you take up that multi level company?
Dream job.
career?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I will go rather with the family business, sir.
Yeah.
It can be my dream or passion or anything, but like uh, opposing the father and opposing our parents, and we are going for some other job won't give us full satisfaction in the job, even though if it is a good company or anything. So I will listen to my parents' words and I will follow that, sir.
So what is your father now, really?
My father is a business doing business automobiles,
Acha,
wholesale automobiles.
supposing now he asks you to go to automobile, will you go to automobile business?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I will go, sir.
Acha, but
If we say
the prospects are not good in that business now, because unless it is a very established firm.
Yes, sir.
So how do you take up this position?
Actually, I have been working. I have been seeing my father's business from my childhood, and I know like many things in that business area, like what are the products now it is going on, and what we can improve in that. And due to we are like past 10 years, I am there. I am taking part in my father's business, so I can improve.
So you have this experience in this regard. Very good.
Yeah.
How old are you?
24.
Very good. Now, next robotic question. Robotic question is, say, tell about your native place.
Sir, I was born in Erode. Like it is very famous for turmeric city. It is also called as a turmeric city. Like River Kaveri is flowing in my city.
Yes.
And yes, sir. And my city, like in my city, we can find more like village area as well as more developed area. Both we can find within that some 5-kilometer range. In some other cities, we cannot find like some Chennai or any other city. Means we will find only like city area, and we have to go like 100 kilometers, 55, 70 kilometers to experience the peaceful environment. Whereas in my city, both is available simultaneously. We can do our work and we can chill out in like agriculture field also.
Good. Who is your role model? Tell about your role model.
Actually speaking, I would say my father as a role model. He has done many sacrifice for my whole career. He has given me knowledge and everything till without expecting anything from us. The only soul who will do all those things is my father. So I will take him as a role model.
But you can tell some more points also, because you are not talked even for 15-20 seconds. You must be able to talk for 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Can you try again? Who is your role model? And please talk about him.
Okay, sir. I will try once again, sir. Like as I said, I will say my father as my role model. I have seen him in many ways, like how he solved the problem and how he take care of everyone in the family and how he is humble and polite. Those characters and everything, like we can have in our life. So to have a better improvement, he is very patient. He is very patient and he will do all the sacrifice for the whole family in spite of his happiness.
Mm,
Uh, so I'm
mm,
so he is considered as my role model. Like he will do whatever we are asking, he will permit us to do.
mhm. He is very liberal.
Yes, sir. He is liberal.
Mhm. And normally you can also add some more points like say, my father is very strict in his business. He plans his business properly and he makes purchases and he makes repayment for all his creditors on time. And he is also following the debtors, say, for recovery of the dues. And he has a few number of members working in his staff, and he keeps a good liaison with them and encourages them to perform well. Something like that, you can add some more
Okay.
points.
Okay, sir. Business related, we can have some points.
Yeah, good. So Bhupal Raj, what is your degree?
So now I am doing environmental geotechnology, MTech,
MTech in which college?
NIT Calicut.
NIT Calicut. Very good, very good. Tell us about NIT Calicut.
Sir, actually,
Doesn't matter.
NIT
I'll
Calicut.
I'll come to you later. Now let us check up.
Okay,
There
sir.
is one more person available. Please unmute.
Okay, sir.
Realme 7 Pro. Please unmute.
Good evening, sir. Very good evening.
Good evening.
Actually, my name is Sachin, sir.
Sachin. Acha, acha. You are not
Yes,
that old Sachin.
No, sir. I'm
You are
Sachin.
new Sachin. Acha, you are studying which college?
Sir, same, sir. NIT Calicut.
Oh, same NIT Calicut. Very good, very good. So what is the degree
Yes.
you are doing?
Yeah, same branch, sir. MTech, Environmental Geotechnology. Actually, we are friends, sir, from same branch.
Oh, very good, very good. Congrats. So now what is your father?
My father is a farmer, sir.
Acha.
And in
You are from
agriculture.
which place?
I'm from Telangana, sir.
You are from Telangana. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
shall I give a topic to you?
Yes, sir. You can give. Actually, sir, I want to ask some tips. Actually,
Yeah.
I have some zero confidence about. This is my first time in participating group discussion.
Mm.
I have not done this before, and I want some actual how to participate, how to speak
Yeah,
fluently.
actually, groupdiscussionideas.com. Please note down
Okay.
groupdiscussionideas.com.
Group discussion.
I am giving here www.groupdiscussionideas.com. If you go to that website, you will have hundreds of current affair topics and ideas on various topics, etc. And
sir, actually tomorrow.
regarding participation in GD, what the suggestion for success is that you must talk at least 2 or 3 times during the discussions.
Okay, sir.
And if it is that they are not going to have it that way, in sometimes what they do, they ask you to talk for 2 minutes only. First 2 minutes, they ask you to talk on that topic or 1 minute on that topic. Later on, they make it open. So when they make it open, you must avail the opportunity to participate actively, at least 2 or 3 times. Now,
okay, sir.
Supposing we have a GD on between Bhupal Raj, because he is also from your own college, you are also
Yes,
from
sir.
your own the same college. I will give a topic. Both of you will talk for 1 minute on that topic. Later on, we can have an open discussion.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
You are the manager of one of your. You are the manager of a branch or of a company. One of your best employees has met with an accident, and the doctor said that he needs physiotherapy for 3 months. So the management has decided to fire him from the job. The management has decided to fire him from the job. So now, what will be your stand in this regard? Now, you
Sir-
will talk for 1 minute, after which Bhupal Raj will talk for 1 minute. Later on, both of you will talk.
Sir, in this case, we have to discuss about management's view or what, sir? Like whether they will fire him or not. In this way or what?
The management is firing him, but he is a good employee. So what is
Okay,
your
sir.
view regarding this?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, he is he is best employee. So in my personal opinion, they should not have to fire him. Because 3 months is not very much quick time. They should have given him medical leave so that he can cure and in that time period, 3 months of time period, they can add some substitute other person to fulfill that job of his best employee. And after recovering that employee, he can get back to work and he will do rest of his job. And I will stand for employee, and I should not have to fire him, sir.
Very good. Next, Bhupal Raj, you can talk on this topic. You are the manager of your company or owner of your company. One of your best employees had met with accident and doctor said that he needs physiotherapy for 3 months. So the management decided to fire him. What is your stand on
Actually, I won't fire him.
this?
This COVID pandemic, we have gone through this COVID pandemic where we have been locked down for more than 2 months continuously. No one has fired their employees. With no multinational company has fired their employees, and they have paid the salary for half of the salary or 75% salary they have been paid. Like we have to be like we have to be set a rapport with our employee so that they will enhance the company. If we fire the employee, then the other people who are working in our company won't trust us. Like they will feel the same situation if it comes to us. Like they will fire us and they won't give our efforts their efforts fully. So it will impact the loss of the company. So better we have to we don't have to fire him and we have to take care of this. That is our duty also. The company's duties have to take care of the employee. We cannot fire him.
Very good. Raushan Kumar, can you talk on this point for 1 minute?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please talk on
I-
this topic for 1 minute. First 1 minute.
Sir, I joined late, sir. What is the topic?
Topic I just now I was telling you, you are the manager of a big company. One of your best employees had met with accident. And
Yes,
the
sir.
doctor says that he needs physiotherapy for 3 months.
Yes,
The
sir.
management has decided to fire him from the job. As manager, what will be your stand? How will you proceed?
Sir, as a manager, sir, first I will go with a high authority and discuss the issue that regarding with my employees who have faced the accident. Sir, like firing any employees is not a solution for like companies, sir. If that employee is not in the condition to serve the company, it doesn't mean we just fire them just because of they are not available for the company now. Actually, sir, the employees is like a asset for our company, and we should take care about those things when the situations were not sometimes in our favors, so that the other employees get affected from these things. If we fired our employee, then this will impart us, this will affect the harmony of our the team members, and this will go negative in various aspects. So to maintain the relationship with our employees, this kind of situation may arise, but firing is not the solution, sir.
Now, Raushan Kumar, first of all, you have to be very clear whether you are going to fire him or not. And again, bring that point towards the end also.
Not
Towards-
not firing,
And
not
towards
firing,
the,
sir.
towards the end also, you should say, I do not support his firing him, but I will go with a strategy of say keeping him on loss of pay for a few days and then take him again for a job. Like that, you should complete it objectively. First, you should tell something and you should conclude it with the same point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Rajneesh Kumar, you were hearing about this topic. Can you continue on this? Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar, can please talk on this topic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, so, sir, actually, what Mr. Roshan's point is almost okay. I agree with him that the employee should not be fired. That
Mm,
is the point.
mm,
So, actually, if this kind of situation, in this kind of situation, what we can do is we can continue with pay cut. Like we can reduce his salary for
mm,
few days or what he want to leave, medical leave, and
mm,
after that, when he join again, then we can continue with his full pay. Like this, we can do. In this, he will get some money for those days, and for us, we will not lost our employee from our company. So for both of us, there will be a little bit compensation, and we both will not face any problem.
So you are
So
from
this
which
is
college? You are from which college?
NIT Calicut itself, sir.
Oh, same. Very good. Very good. Congrats. NIT Calicut means Kozhikode, na?
Yes, sir.
It is known as Kozhikode. You are a native of which place?
I am native, sir. I am from Delhi, sir.
Delhi, Delhi. What is your father?
Father name, sir.
No. Father, what is your father means we have to tell what is the business he is doing or what is the work he is doing.
Okay, sir. My father is in New Delhi Municipal Corporation.
Acha, he is working in
He's a
Municipal
clerk.
Delhi Corporation as what?
As a clerk, sir.
Very good. Excellent. What is your
Yes.
mummy?
Sir, my mom is a homemaker only. She don't do any work.
Very good. Excellent. You don't have to tell that. My mummy is a homemaker. That will do. Don't have to say she doesn't have any work. So in interview situations, we have to be very specific. Every word should be valid and important. Okay, good. Now we will go to this boy, Redmi. Redmi, please unmute your mic. Can you talk on the same topic for 1 minute? Redmi. Redmi, are you online? Can you talk?
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible. What is your name? Redmi.
I will choose. I will choose not to fire him because as a manager, it's my responsibility and company's responsibility to take care of the employee. And a medical situation can occur to anyone, so it can happen to anyone. So we should support the employee, and I agree with him with the salary cut though. But I will choose not to fire him. But if the pressure from the higher management is very high, and if I don't have a choice, then I'll have to fire him. But if I do have a choice, I will choose not to fire him and lend him my support, and I will split the work between the colleagues and give him all our support.
Very good, very good. You will give support to him, and your strategy is not to fire him. That's what you say. Very good, very good.
Sure.
You are also from NIT Calicut?
No, sir. I'm from Amrita School of Arts.
Amrita Institute.
Amritapuri.
It's in Coimbatore or where?
Amritapuri. It's in Kerala, Amritapuri.
Acha. I don't know. Because I have known one Amrita in Coimbatore, but this Amritapuri is in
We have
Kerala.
5 campuses.
Oh, great. What is the degree you are studying?
Integrated MSc in Physics and Maths.
Very good. After integrated MSc in Physics and Maths, why do you want to come to Federal Bank? Answer this question in 1 minute.
Sir, I actually I'm not that into banking, but I will prepare for this answer for the GD. But I currently don't know the answer to this question.
You don't know the answer.
Not that into banking, but
we'll think about
no, sir. I consider this as a placement opportunity.
Very good.
Okay.
So you can tell like this. This is one of the placement opportunities I have got in my college, and I would like to utilize this and settle down in a job. I
would like to start my career here and build it from there. Yeah.
So that way. And also banking gives enough opportunities for career growth. And besides that, banking gives enormous job satisfaction because you are able to interact with people
Sure.
directly. And that is how you have to tell. Good. You are a native of Kerala?
Okay.
Are you a native of
Yes,
Kerala?
sir.
Oh, very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Congrats, congrats. Now, Alina has come just now. Alina, maybe she is not familiar with the topic. Alina, we were discussing the topic. You joined my Telegram group, Federal Bank Internship, PO, Federal Bank PO. Are you a member of that group, please? I think
Yes,
all of
sir.
you must.
Today I
Yeah.
have joined.
Excellent. In that, on the right side, I have posted so many topics. And in that, the third topic is what we discussed. You are the manager of one of the organizations. One of your best employee has met with an accident and he needs physiotherapy treatment for 3 months. Management wants to terminate him or fire him. What is your stand? Now, can you talk on this for 1 minute?
Okay, sir.
All of them are favored. All of them are favored not firing him. So, what is your stand?
I agree with all of this, my friends, because a medical emergency is so common with anyone, and it is better not to fire because he is a good employee of the company. So I agree with everyone. It would be better to give some compensations so that he can terminate after some time.
We can terminate after some time. Why? Why should you terminate him after his recovery? Why should you terminate him?
Sorry, sir. He can resume his work after his medical emergency is got back.
Then I think you are not clear. Can you try again? You are not clear. Please tell again. This is the situation. You are the manager. What stand are you going to take? Alina. Alina,
I will
you are from which college?
St. Joseph's College, Calicut.
Calicut. Acha, acha. ठीक है, no problem. Tell me, what is your stand on this?
It is not to go for firing the employee because medical emergency is so common with everyone. It can occur for any person. So after there may be some loss for the company because he is not working for a few months or a few time. The company can compensate him without firing him, and after that he can rejoin.
This one. Now I am going to talk opposing this. Say how you are all managers of this company and you don't support my view that we should fire him. So if 3 months he is going to continue and somebody else is not recruited, or even if he is taken, it will result in lot of loss for our company. How do you substantiate this? Come on, react. React. I don't know whether they will give you an opportunity to react. In 1 or 2 GDs, they just gave you opportunity to talk for 2 minutes. Then with that it was over. In some GDs, they allowed people to talk. Thereafter, they gave open time for talking. So if open time is given, then how will you substantiate your stand? No, Bhupal Raj, everybody is not able to talk?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like if we fire him, like all other employees will not do their work properly. Like they will be getting afraid of if we have any emergencies, then they will also be fired. So the work will be not effective. If you see the 3 months salary, your total company's profit will go down. You have to see in long term, not for short term effect.
Okay, good. What about Alina? Alina?
Sir, it would be better even if without recruiting any other person can be substituted for that post also. A person may be given 2 or 3 posts in order to substitute the medical emergency person.
Good. What about Redmi? Redmi, please talk. Redmi.
So I didn't hear the question. There's a
You did. No, the
Uh,
question
from
is
the network.
opposing views from the management. Management says you have to fire him.
Yeah.
And now, how do you react to this? You are in a GD now.
Yeah, if the management says you have to fire him, I don't have a choice but to fire him. But yes, sir, I will choose to fire him.
Acha, you will decide to fire him. No, no.
Well,
There are two ways of handling it.
Yeah.
One is changing our stand. After
Yeah.
listening to the management, and if they are very serious about it, and also they are convinced of the reasons, then we can go agree with
Based
him
on-
and
yeah.
then terminate. Or we can say, no, I will try
Yeah.
to put forth my
We
views again and try to impress on him that he has been an excellent employee. And if we
Yeah.
leave him, we may not be able to get another person of his nature. Something like that you can say. Okay, but something you have to contribute. In a second round, when it comes, you must talk
Yeah.
something.
So the first
Rajanish,
step,
yeah.
I will try to convince the management that he's an excellent worker, and it will be benefit for the company if he stays. And we'll try to convince the management. If they're still pressurizing me to fire him, then I won't have a choice but to
Yeah,
fire him.
very good, very good. Now, next person, Raushan Kumar, can you say a few points?
Sir, I'll just discuss with the higher authority that is there any provision of like if he's able to do some work from home, if that kind of scenario is there, then we'll go for that instead of firing him.
Very good, good, nice. Now, would you like to take a GD topic or a robotic topic now for discussion? Only 5-10 minutes may be there for us now. Now, group members, please tell me you would like to take up robotic or GD topic. Quick.
Sir, GD
Sir,
topic
actually,
GD. Okay, GD is good. You are a team you are a team leader, and there are 10 members in your team working on a major project in multinational company. Mr. A, one of the team members, is quite aggressive in his communication in team meetings. He tries to dominate and snub others. This is causing unhappiness among other members and in turn is affecting work environment. So you are the team leader. All of you, please talk for just half a minute or 1 minute on this topic. Would you like me to read the topic again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are the team leader and there are 10 members in your team working on a major project in a multinational company. Mr. A, one of the team members, is quite aggressive in his communication in team meetings and he tries to dominate and snub others. This is causing unhappiness among other members and in turn affecting the work environment. You are the leader. What is your stand? Come on, start. Anybody, open to anybody.
Sir, this is actually very common dilemma when all of the group members become unhappy to a single person who is very aggressive to his points. He always try to dominate others, but never listens to other. It happens very commonly. So in that situation, if that member's point is actually valid, then others should listen first and then tell him that, okay, bro, okay, friend, your whatever your view is, we got it. Now we should listen to others. But if he's aggressive in that situation also, then he is not he should not continue in the group because he has some ego problem.
Okay, Raushan Kumar.
Yes, sir.
What is your stand on this?
Sir, in my opinion, sir, first of all, I will find the reason why is being aggressive in the situation, and then I will call him for a separate meeting and ask him the reason behind it and tell him that you cannot create such kind of situation as a team members. You are not afford to do this. This might hampers the effect other team members, and it also leads to the growth of our company.
Okay, Redmi next. Redmi.
Okay. So I will call him separately or privately, and I will tell him that it's not allowed to be. I mean, you're not allowed to behave this way in team meetings, and it is affecting the harmony and peace of the group and affecting the team members negatively. So you're not allowed to behave this way. And if he's willing to open up to me about what he's aggressive about, or the root cause of his aggressive, the problem, I will try to help him in my but the best way I can. Or if he's not comfortable to opening up to me, I can always find a person or someone so he can let the pressure out, or I can always arrange anger management class or something as a manager for him, and tell him that it's not good for the company and for the team to behave in this way, and it is not appreciated as a in this team.
Okay, Alina.
Okay, sir. First of all, I will hear to the views of the aggressive person, Mr. A. Then I will hear the views of others. If the views are getting mismatched between the aggressive person and the views of others, and finally, if the views of others are getting a majority portion, then I will be concluding with the views of the others. And even after that conclusion, if Mr. A is creating problem afterward, then I will call him personally and convince him about the matter.
Very good. Realme 7 Pro. Realme 7 Pro.
Yes, sir. Actually, I will agree with all my friends' points, and I will actually teamwork is must and should. I will make him understand that everyone's point of view is very important to work. Otherwise, it will affect on work. Will make him understand, and being aggressive is not correct, I will say. And if he is aggressive, it will affect on work. So I will try to convince him, and if still he not listen, I will make him like call personally and say him to be according to everyone.
Very good. Bhupal Raj.
Yes, sir. I agree. I agree for the above all. Like, I would say, I would call him personally, and I will ask what is the problem with him. And because as a team leader, each and every person in my team is important for me. So I have to sort out all the problems for each and everyone. I cannot leave him as it is, and I cannot make him get out of the job. So I have to balance both the things, and I will call and I will speak about the problem, and I will give some solutions for that. I will try my level best to find the solution for that cause.
Very good. Now we have got about 7 minutes only. It will stop anytime. Please, we'll stop now. And how many of you have interview tomorrow, 17th?
I have, sir, tomorrow.
Roshan is on 17th, Bhupal 17th. Others,
Yes,
Rajneesh
I have
Kumar,
sir tomorrow.
19.
19. Acha, acha.
I have on
18,
19,
sir.
sir.
19. If possible, such up those of you who want to come, you can come tomorrow. Tomorrow I am blocking time at. Can you come at 7 o'clock or after evening? If it is better in the evenings, later evenings.
Sir, actually, what kind of topics we expect in GD in banking sector, sir?
No. Here, this Federal Bank GD is separated, and these topics have been given in my Telegram group. Are you member of my Telegram group or not?
Yes, sir.
I have given all the topics there, and I have discussed them in many videos like this also. So from that you can know. In one place, 6 topics have been given. And not only that, they can give any topic like this, but you must be able to talk on that. So now just those who have got interview on 18th or 19th, is 7 o'clock suitable or 8 o'clock suitable? Please tell me.
Sir, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, I am putting Federal Bank Zoom meeting. So those of you who want to come for tomorrow, 8 o'clock, you can come. And the same Zoom ID only. Zoom, same ID, same this thing. So you can come. And because tomorrow we will discuss something about that. What is that? robotic interview questions. Robotic interview questions, they can ask you, what are your strengths? Tomorrow, who is going to have interview? Roshan Kumar. Please tell me, what are your strengths?
Yes.
1 minute, quick,
Yes. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
quick. What are your strengths?
Sir, my strength is like optimistic personalities, and I very well know how to handle the pressures and finish the time on a deadline.
Good. Now, next, who is having interview tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhopal, I will give another topic. I gave you one topic earlier. Let me give you another
Yes, sir.
topic. Which subject
Okay, sir.
was your favorite subject in your school, and why?
Sir, actually, Tamil is my favorite subject because my mother is a Tamil teacher, and she would daily say some Tamil quotes and proverbs and some stories in Tamil. So from my childhood I like Tamil to read and write, and many stories she will say daily. She will say one story for me.
Yeah.
So I love the Tamil subject. So that is my favorite subject.
Okay. Now, Roshan Kumar.
Sir,
Sir,
any suggestion?
Realme.
Sir, any,
for you,
sir,
interview is on 17th or 18th?
sir, tomorrow GD is there. Sir, any suggestions? Those who have GD tomorrow, sir?
I have already talked long. I have talked for 1 hour. You please replay this video. It will be coming in YouTube. You can see
Okay,
that.
okay, sir.
Yeah, I have already
Okay, sir.
posted 5 or 6 videos on that. Please listen to that.
Okay, okay, sir.
Realme 7 Pro, please tell on the help role played by banks for improvement of nation's economy. The role played by banks for nation's economy. Please talk on this. Hello, you are not a commerce student, huh?
No, sir.
So you can't answer this question. Now answer this question. My favorite leader, political leader, or my favorite businessman, political, or my favorite hero, film hero. Please talk.
Yes, sir. Hrithik Roshan, sir.
Huh?
Hrithik Roshan, sir.
If you stay like this, they will not select you. You must talk about him.
Yes, sir.
I
Hrithik
like
Roshan,
Hrithik Roshan. Why?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Explain.
Actually, Hrithik Roshan is like a good personality. He will dance good. He will act like he will put his 100% best in his acting, and he will select the script is very good, and being a part of a movie, he will do good. So I like him, sir.
Very good. Now, good. Anybody else would like to talk on any 1 minute topic? Means I will give say what is the topic. I can give you something not related to banking, because you are not able to talk about banking. My leadership qualities. Alina, talk on my leadership qualities.
Yes, sir. To introduce myself, while doing my undergraduation, I have been the association secretary of my Department of Economics. So I am well known about my capabilities, and I can manage stress and being punctual, and I'm well aware of my capabilities, so that I can deliver anything to anyone at any time.
Very good. Now, Redmi, please tell me my role model. Redmi.
Yes, sir. My role, sir, is should this? I mean, can I say film star? Or is this right?
No, the computer will not allow you time. You have to talk immediately. My role model, only 1 minute time is there.
Okay.
This will be over any time, and with this, it will be coming in YouTube. Come on, please talk. Yours may be the last. And tomorrow,
Okay,
we'll
so
meet at
my
8
mom
o'clock.
is my role model because. Okay. Yeah,
Come
okay.
on.
So my mom is my role model because she has given everything for her family, and she's hardworking, and She's the most strongest woman I have ever seen. So I would like to become her one day. And she's so kind, and she has taught many valuable lessons in my life. And I would like to follow all that in my life. And yeah, she is my role model.
Yeah, you can also tell she's multi-talented like that, and she is not worried about failure, and she doesn't sit on being affected by failure, and she will not fight with others. Even if she fights, she reconciles immediately. Like that, you can talk more good points about your role model. Understand?
Okay, sir.